Imagine a company so rich that Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon combined would still be worth less. A company that could declare war, sign peace treaties, and even rule nations. This wasn't a country, it was a corporation, born over 400 years ago in the Netherlands. Meet the Dutch East India Company, the world's first mega corporation, and the blueprint for modern capitalism. Section 1, The Birth of a Giant. It all began in 1602. The Dutch were fighting for independence from Spain and they needed money fast. So they did something revolutionary. They created a company owned by the public. Ordinary people could buy shares and own a piece of the profits. This was the birth of the stock market. Section 2, Empire of Trade. But this wasn't just about business. The VOC stands for Verenigde Oostindische Compagnie, which is Dutch for Dutch East India Company. It acted like a government, yet with its own navy, soldiers, and colonies. At its peak, it controlled trade routes from Asia to Europe and ran ports, plantations, and cities. By today's standards, it was worth over $8 trillion. Section 3, the House of Orange. Behind this empire was the powerful House of Orange. They realized real power wasn't about crowns, it was about capital. They invested heavily in the VOC, linking royalty to business in a way the world had never seen. Their influence turned the Netherlands into the financial center of the 1600s. Section 4, the invention of modern finance. The VOC changed everything. It invented the first stock exchange, introduced limited liability, and showed that profit could come from paper, not just ships. This idea spread fast. When William of Orange became King of England, he brought Dutch finance with him, leading to the Bank of England, government bonds, and modern capitalism. Section 5, the fall. But every empire collapses. By the 1700s, the VOC was drowning in corruption and debt. Its officials grew rich while its fleets fell apart. By 1799, it was finished. The Dutch government shut it down and took over its assets. Section 6, the legacy. Even in death, the VOC's ideas survived. Its financial systems became the foundation of global trade. Modern corporations like Shell, ING, and countless others still use the same principles invented in 1602. And the House of Orange? They're still around, their wealth and influence now built on centuries of financial innovation. Section 7, the reflection. The Dutch East India Company is long gone, but its legacy lives in every stock trade, every investment, and every company chasing global influence. It proved one simple truth, that money can outlast empires. So, the next time you buy a stock, trade crypto, or dream of building an empire, remember, it all started with a Dutch idea 400 years ago. Now I want to know what you think. If the VOC existed today, would it rule the markets or go bankrupt in a year? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and hey, if you learned something new, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and leave an orange emoji to let me know you made it to the end.